I don't know about you, but this 3-inch tube looks a little bit small coming out the bumper. So I decided I'm gonna upgrade just the tailpipe here and see if I can change the sound a little bit as well as give it a new look. And that's why I decided to get a 4-inch stainless steel tube. Man, was I wrong. I did not realize how big that would be. That is a big tube. And guess what? We're gonna try it anyways, because worst that happens, I'm just gonna cut it off and weld this pipe back on. I should note that I don't have anything to weld stainless steel properly, so yes, I'm going to gasless flux core weld this, just like I've done before with other stainless steel mufflers to my mild steel exhaust. Sue me. Okay, now the idea is this pipe is just straight anyways, so what I'd like to do is cut this as square as I can, and that way there's no angles. It's just concentric to the 4-inch and straight out. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, the cut was actually fairly straight, so I just need to clean up this edge, square it up a little bit with a flap disc just to line up with the concentric adapter. Make sure I'm pointing in the right direction to come out the same spot in the bumper. Roughly, it might have to be a little lower just because of the extra size, but okay, so pretty simple. Between this and the pipe, it's got to equal about the same length as what I cut off. So what I'm gonna do is figure out roughly how long this piece needs to be. I'll tack it to this and then I'll line it up on the car. It'll just make it a lot easier to figure out where it's gonna sit. That's that. Wow, it is terribly big and it looks horrible. I'm gonna finish welding it up anyways, go for a drive, and then I don't know, next weekend probably cut it off and weld another pipe back in. I honestly don't think that in the video it looks anywhere near as obnoxious as it does in person. And that, my friends, is how you ruin an E46. I made it a lot worse though. I mean, it doesn't sound that much different right now. At an idle, it's a little deeper. It was a bad idea. Don't do this. I'll be cutting this off and putting a 3.5 inch on after. We'll go for a drive to see what it sounds like. Okay, well, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Anyways, it's really not that bad. It's really deep, and I don't necessarily like the sound of it, but it doesn't sound bad. It's kind of hard to explain, but... it's just a very unique sound. It's almost reminiscent of a 3-inch Skunk 2 exhaust on like a 2012 Civic or something. I don't know what to say. I don't recommend doing this, but it doesn't sound that bad. Use at your own risk, I guess. It's different. that's step by step how to absolutely ruin your E46 with the ugliest possible exhaust tip that you can find. I will be taking this off. It has kind of a unique sound. It doesn't sound bad, but it's a lot deeper when you're just cruising. It's just not going to work. So this is coming off. I'll get some 3.5-inch tubing and I'll do exactly the same thing, but with a smaller tube. I just think the 3-inch coming out the back, it looked small. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. That was a waste of time for me, but I'll see you in the next one.